You demand a lot of your air tools. You need them to be ready to run at full power every time. But the elements seem to be stacked against you. Underpowered compressors, rising energy costs, not to mention the noise and debris that come with air tools. Now, your facility can overcome these obstacles with the Exhausted Air Recycling System, or EARS. The concept is revolutionary in its simplicity. Turn wasted air into a resource. Harness the exhaust air from all those pneumatic tools and send it right back into the compressor, in effect acting like a supercharger. Quiet, clean, and efficient. That's EARS. Now, this revolutionary system is in use in shops around the world, and shop owners are seeing the benefits firsthand.
We are more competitive because it costs us less to do business because of our conservative way of saving energy here. It's been one of the best things that we've done in business.
Let's take a closer look at how EARS can make your shop more efficient. You're familiar with a traditional pneumatic system. The air compressor on one end and the air tool on the other, connected by a hose. EARS inventor Chris Boshua saw that exhausted air as wasted energy.
Why can't I use all that energy as a turbocharger and boosting the air compressor? So now we inject that air back into the intake of the compressor.
The EARS system uses a dual hose, creating a closed loop between the air tools and the air compressor. One EARS hose carries high-pressure air to the air tool, and the other hose sends the exhaust air back to the compressor. The patented EARS manifold system allows the exhaust air to return directly to the intake of the air compressor under a controlled pressure, much like a supercharger on a car. The result of this closed loop is that the compressor doesn't have to work as hard, meaning the compressor doesn't use as much energy to maintain optimum pressure. Under continuous use, energy consumption can drop over 40%. At the same time, the pressure and volumetric flow in the air lines remain almost constant. This shortens the reloading time the compressor needs to return to working pressure, because the EARS system moves twice the volume. The system is a closed loop, so the air flowing into your compressor intake is both cooler and cleaner. And the air flowing to your air tools is up to 70% drier and cleaner. Better air means less wear and tear on the tools, lines, and compressor, which extends their lifespans and protects your investment. Imagine those energy savings and a cleaner shop too.
The air compressor is drawing in huge volumes of air, and it will bring in molds, pollens, dust, chemicals, moisture. So what's coming out of that air tool is a toxic soup.
In fact, in some countries, it's illegal to vent air tool exhaust within 5 meters of the operator, or roughly 15 feet. For techs who are breathing that dirty, dusty air, it's a nuisance that can turn into a health hazard over time, leading to sick days that cut into productivity. EARS changes all that. The exhaust that used to blow debris all over the work area and the workers is now carried away and filtered by the EARS system. Capturing exhaust also makes your shop quieter. All those air tools blowing out all that exhaust make a whole lot of noise. Even with filters and so-called silencers installed, noise levels can top 120 decibels, a level that can cause hearing loss within a very short period of time. EARS addresses the problem at its source. Because the tools exhaust directly into the coupling, noise is reduced significantly. In an independent study, EARS reduced the noise of an impact gun from 111.9 to 82.6 decibels. That's over 100 times quieter, which helps your technicians avoid hearing damage. The benefits of EARS are clear. With EARS, you get quieter, safer, cleaner working conditions in the shop. With ears, you get energy savings that improve your bottom line. With ears, your tools and equipment last longer, with cleaner, drier air in the compressed air system. This revolutionary technology is being recognized the world over, earning prestigious awards, like the Invention of the Year, the Best Solution to a Health and Safety Risk, the Motor Top 20 Tool, and the Professional Tool and Equipment News Innovation Award. Don't spend another day just getting by with an old-fashioned compressed air system. Harness that exhaust air and improve your bottom line.
I'd probably use 2 words. Buy it. It'll be the best thing you ever did.
Ears, the compressed air revolution. The exhausted air recycling system. Quiet, clean, efficient.